In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image accordion to your Squarespace website. We'll be leveraging a tool called Common Ninja to help us create and incorporate this feature seamlessly. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the Common Ninja website. This platform will help us build our image accordion effectively. Once you're on the site's homepage, look for the Widgets Plus button. Clicking on this will take you to a new section where you can discover a wide variety of widgets that Common Ninja offers. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in Image Accordion. This will direct us to the specific widget we need. You should see it pop up in the search results. Go ahead and click on the Image Accordion option. This will take you to a page dedicated to creating your very own image accordion. Next, hit the Create Image Accordion button. This is where the real customization begins. You'll be able to add images and configure settings to match what you have in mind for your website. Once you're satisfied with how your image accordion looks, the next step is to publish it. So, click on the Publish button to make it live. After publishing, you need to save the widget to keep your image accordion intact. To do this, click on Save Widget. It's important to select a folder where your widget will be stored for easy access later on. After selecting the appropriate folder, remember to click Save Changes. This ensures that all your work is preserved. Now comes the crucial part. You need to integrate this newly created image accordion into your Squarespace site. Click on Copy Code. This will copy the embed code for your image accordion to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into Squarespace. Switching over to your Squarespace dashboard, address where you'd like this accordion to appear on your site. Within your website editor, click on Add Block. You'll then want to select the Embed option from the available block types, and once it's added, click on Edit. You'll then see an option that says Code Snippet. Click on that and then on Embed Data. Here is where you paste the code you copied earlier from Common Ninja. Once you've pasted your embed code, click the Save button to finalize the process. And there you have it. Your Squarespace site now features a slick, interactive image accordion. This dynamic addition is sure to enhance your site's appeal and functionality. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.